Hi there, it's Lou, OptionFlow founder. Welcome to my new video. Disclaimer, as usual, I'm not here to suggest you how to invest your money. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. It's your business. I don't care. I don't raise capitals. I don't raise money. I invest my own money. This is my personal blog. I like to share, inspire people. I tell my way of thinking, my ideas, what I do with my money, and I do not suggest anyone to do anything. So, as usual, the disclaimer. Today, I want to talk to you about a few things. Okay, so understanding the basics. I'm not going further in the basics because you can find lots of materials on the web for free. Just a recap of the most important things of the basic of option investing, how options work, why they are so special, and what we can do with options. Just a quick introduction. Okay, so what are options? I love options. Options are the most powerful and extraordinary financial instrument ever created for retail people. So I love options and hope you like too, and you love all. You are going to fall in love with options, and let's see why. Okay, first of all, what options are? Options are financial contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, okay, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specified price, as called the strike price, within a predetermined period of time. Okay, so unlike stocks, which represent ownership in a company, options derive their value from the performance of an underlying asset, such as stocks, for example, ETFs or indexes. So, trading options investing involve two main types of options: calls and puts. What is the difference? Call options give the holder the right to buy an underlying asset, while puts give the holder the right to sell the underlying asset. So this is the fundamentals of options. So as I told before, I won't go any further about that. Okay, but what makes options so special in the world of finance? Options provide traders or investors with leverage, allowing them to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital compared to trading the underlying asset directly. Okay, if you want to buy 100 stocks, Microsoft stocks, okay, for example, every stock is $400, okay, it means that to buy 100 stocks, you need to have in your account $40,000. So you can buy stocks. With options, it's different because you have a leverage to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. Options also offer flexibility as they can be used in various strategies, okay, to profit from different market conditions, including bullish, bearish, or neutral outlooks. Okay, if you buy, like an example before, the Microsoft stocks, you earn money only if the stocks goes higher. If the stocks is neutral or bearish, you don't earn money or you lose money. Okay? With options, and this is a real pro, this is a very good point. Okay, you have a lot of flexibility. And also options investing allows for precise risk management. So a trader or an investor can limit their potential losses to the premium paid for the options. Okay, there are lots of strategies, but the risk is very low. So these are some powerful and unique characteristics what I love. So what are call, puts, strike price, expiration dates? It can be difficult, okay? Watch first time, you think, what is this mess, okay? But it's not so difficult, okay? And let's see something about that. So a call option gives the buyer, okay, the right to buy an underlying asset at a specified price, the strike price, okay, on or before the expiration date. You can think about options that are also in real estate, for example. The buyer of a house, okay, write an option, okay, so he or she can sell the house at a specified price before 3 months. Just an example. Or think an insurance, for example. Okay, so I made another video about how to build your own company with options investing. Go to my channel and look for this video. It's very, very interesting, so you can understand a lot. But this is about the strategy I personally use. A put option gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset at a specified price or at the strike price on or before the expiration date. So there are two types of options, and we can create different combination with these options. Okay, there are lots of strategies, lots of opportunities, but basically you have only two different types of option. Okay, what is the strike price? The strike price is the price at which the option holder can buy or sell the underlying asset if they choose to exercise the option. The expiration date is the date when the option contract expires and becomes invalid. So options have predefined expiration dates. So every option has expiration date, and this is very good for us. We will see in another video why. But it could be also a problem. Okay, why? Because an option buyer knows that there are a high probability that his premium paid will go to zero, will expire worthless. An option seller knows that there is a high probability that this premium that the buyer lose, the seller earns. Okay, but we will see in another video. In this video, just to understand how they work. Okay, so every option has an expiration date. Options have predefined expiration dates, typically the third Friday of the month, okay? What they call the payday. Normally it's the third Friday of the month, but there are options, expiration date could be the first Friday, or there are weekly options, daily options. So the regular options, okay, the most used options, expire on the third Friday of the month. It's a payday, okay? So, how options allows investor to profit? Options trading or option investing allows investors to profit from price movements in the underlying asset, regardless of whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. This is a very, very powerful. There are no other financial instruments that give you this power. Okay. Yes, there are leverage, there are other financial instruments with different things, okay? But one reason why I love options, because I can be non-directional. It means that I can have my profit without know exactly what the underlying, what the market will do in the following month, 2 months, or 3 months, okay? Basically, I'm not interested in. It can be sideways, bearish, or bullish, within a certain price, of course, but I love probability on my side, and we will see that in the following videos. So there are lots of option strategies, such as buying calls and puts, selling covered calls, okay, employing spreads. I love vertical spreads or credit spreads, but not the usual credit or vertical spreads. I teach a modern, powerful version of credit spreads. I love spreads, okay? There are calendar spreads and lots of strategies. So you can tailor, okay? Like a suit tailor-made, okay? You can tailor the approach, okay, to the market, outlook, and risk tolerance using options, okay? Like a suit tailor-made. Okay, you can find your own style, your own risk management, your own way of investing. They are very, very, very versatile. It's a very powerful thing. Okay, this one about options. So options can be used for income generation, for speculation, for hedging or risk management, providing traders, investors, banks, hedge funds with versatile tools and achieve their goals. Okay, there are not only retail investors, there are banks, hedge funds. So everyone has its own goal. Okay, could be speculation, could be hedging, could be income generation. So there are strategies for the different goals. I know option world it's very huge. Okay, I told you just a little bit an introduction to this powerful instrument and what I do. I am a one-to-one mentor for investors. I teach my mentorship program. I have my OptionFlow mentorship programs. I have two types of program. I guide investors through option investing, starting from the basics and teaching step by step the practical strategy, what to do in any market condition. I made in the past lots of theoretical courses about options. They were interesting. I lost time, lost money. Every course had one thing in common. Okay, one to each other. They were so theoretical. There are nothing about practical. Because when I came home and I started to think, okay, what can I do now every day from now on? Month after month, year after year, to apply method, strategy, how to look for investments, which rules, strict rules. What is my probability of profit? How can I manage risk? How much percentage of my capital for every investment? These things that they are the most important things when you invest. No one teach me that. So I started to make experiments. I did every kind of mistake possible in option investing, option trading, every kind of mistake. I lost money, I lost time, I tried, I failed lots of time for lots of years. Okay, and then I set up a strategy that started to work month after month. Okay, with the probability were on my side, statistics were on my side. Time was on my side. Okay, I started to invest and become expert in one strategy. So that's what I suggest. So then, talking to people, some people start to ask me, okay, you can teach me your method. Okay, and I started to teach, but no courses, no theoretical courses, just what you need, practical, step by step, together. That's why I prefer to teach my method one-to-one. Okay, with live one-to-one, sharing the screen, okay, telling you do this and do this, exactly what to do. So this is my mentorship program. I have two mentorship program, one 2 months program and the other one the 3 months program together. So by the end of these programs, participants will be equipped with the knowledge, autonomous and the skill to confidently invest options in every market condition, so achieve their financial goals. So if you want to know more about that, below this video there is a calendar link so you can book a free consultation with me. So let's see together if this could work for you or not. You don't want to lose time, me neither. Okay, so let's see if it could be a good fit for you. We can talk about your specific situation and we can see how my OptionFlow mentorship program, which one, we can choose which one is better in your situation, could be good for you and to reach your goal. So this is the video for today. See you in the next video and goodbye.